there. 700 right here. $3,000 in StockX, ladies and gentlemen. Look it up right now. It's going for 3K. We got 800 right here. Let me see. Put your hand up. 800 bucks right here. Is anybody gonna beat for 800 a $3,000 shoe on StockX, boy? 800 going once. 800 going 900. We got 900 right here, boy. 900 bucks right here. 900. Do we got 950? One quick. 900. Going once. 900. Going twice.